Hello everyone. 안녕하세요. Welcome to Christine's Intermediate Korean Conversation class. Unlike a basic Korean conversation class, this class is a more advanced level, and if you took a basic Korean conversation class, this class is much easier because based on all the expressions you learned from the basic Korean conversation class, this class is composed of real conversation, which means if you learned very important expressions, you can just apply that expressions to the situation. If you don't know how to use and when to use the expressions you learned, you can't even speak Korean. You will miss the timing. You will miss the time, okay? So this class is this class is for everyone who wants to stay in Korea for a short time and speak Korean, not fluently, but very well. So let's see our lesson 1, introducing oneself. It's the same topic with the basic Korean conversation, so it's not gonna be really hard. It's gonna be easy, okay? Let's see what we're gonna learn today. Introducing oneself. First one is, what's your name? What's your name? So you have to, I always told you, you have to understand what Korean people are going to say, going to ask. If you don't know, you can't even answer the question. So you know how to introduce yourself, like, hello, my name is blah blah blah, I'm from excuse me, the country, right? So this is the question you have to know and understand. Okay, let's see the second question. Where are you from? Where are you from? And if you heard this question, you can say, I am from where, right? And the third one is, how long are you going to stay in Korea? The reason why I prepared this question is when I went to America, most American people asked me this question because they're wondering, okay, you're here first, so how long are you going to stay? Are you here to study? That kind of question, you know? So I prepared this question just in case for you. Okay, the next one, enjoy your trip. Enjoy your trip. So after all the conversation, Korean people will say, okay, I wish you could have a really good time in Korea or enjoy your trip. So I prepared this expression so that you can say thank you after that. Alright? So let's see the first expression. What's your name? What's your name? So I prepared a few important expressions so that you can more understand this whole conversation. So let's see that. What is? What is means 뭐예요? 뭐예요? Excuse me. What is? 뭐예요? 뭐예요? If you think my pronunciation a little faster, the reason is that you already learned the basic expressions from the basic conversation class. So I will more focus on the real pronunciation Korean people usually use. So you will not have any problem of listening. Okay? So I will speak Korean a little faster than basic conversation class. So please just understand me and try to listen to me. Okay? And I didn't prepare the pronunciation in English too. So it's advanced level, so don't be like confused or don't be afraid of this a little difficult expression. Okay? So let's see. What is 뭐예요? 뭐예요? And you are 당신의. You are 당신의. This is possessive. You, 당신. Remember? You are 당신의. And name. You know this, right? 이름. 이름. So, look at this. What is your name? But in Korea, even though in English you ask this question like, what is your name? However, in Korea, we don't say usually your because we know that we are having a conversation, so we just omit your part when we translate this question in Korean. So, if you see here, what is your name? Can you see here, right? So, instead of saying 당신의 이름이 뭐예요? We just say 이름이 뭐예요? Because we already know that I'm asking this question to you. So I don't, it's not necessary for me to say you are actually, right? So literally, if it's translated in Korean, it's gonna be 당신의 이름이 뭐예요? However, we just omit your part and say 이름이 뭐예요? You got it? So, 이름이 뭐예요? And let's see the conversation. Okay, hello. You know hello? What is your name? Hello, what is your name? It's easy. How can you say? That's right. 안녕하세요. 이름이 뭐예요? Right? So you just met Korean people and you want to ask and they want to ask your name. So, hello, 안녕하세요. What is your name? 이름이 뭐예요? Hello, 안녕하세요. 이름이 뭐예요? Okay, then you know this. My name is Christine. My name is Tom. My name is Sally. My name is, what is that? Very good. 제 이름은 your name입니다. Remember this? One more time. 제 이름은 your name입니다. So, when you're asked this question, 안녕하세요. 이름이 뭐예요? In my case, 제 이름은 Christine입니다. Got it? Okay, now and you have to the same question. What's your name? Which is? 이름이 뭐예요? 이름이 뭐예요? So, 안녕하세요. 이름이 뭐예요? 제 이름은 Christine입니다. Then ask the same question. 이름이 뭐예요? And A says, I am and name. Oh, it's different. My name is and I am. It's the same, right? But this is a different way to say your name. This means 저는 and 입니다. Okay? So this is a new expression and it's much simpler than my name. So you can memorize either one. It's okay. So I am 저는입니다. So 저는 탐입니다. Okay? So let's see. 안녕하세요. What's your name? 이름이 뭐예요? 저는 크리스틴입니다. 이름이 뭐예요? Oh, I'm sorry. My name is. 제 이름은 크리스틴입니다. 이름이 뭐예요? Then say, 저는 탐입니다. Okay, makes sense? So this is the conversation you have to know. So please try to speak this conversation. Okay, let's see the next one. Where are you from? And then we want to know your nationality. Where are you from? Where? 어디서? Remember this? Where? 어디서? Then, are you from? Are you from? 왔어요? Oh, I'm sure that you remember this because I told you a silly joke. 왔어요? Remember that? So, 왔어요? 왔어요? Are you from? 왔어요? So, this question is in Korean. Where are you from? Where? 어디서? 왔어요? Simple, isn't it? So, 어디서 왔어요? One more time. 어디서 왔어요? 어디서 왔어요? Okay, so let's see the conversation. Where are you from? 어디서 왔어요? 어디서 왔어요? And I am from your country. I am from America. Just for instance, I am from America. What's America, by the way, in Korean? That's right. 미국. 미국. It's not 미국. 미국. It's 미국. Remember that, okay? So I am from 미국, America. In Korean, 미국에서 왔어요. Okay? So it's easy, isn't it? So where are you from? 어디서 왔어요? Am I too fast? A little slow? 어디서 왔어요? And I am from America. 미국에서 왔어요. Okay? 미국에서 왔어요. One more time. Where are you from? 어디서 왔어요? 어디서 왔어요? And I am from America. 미국에서 왔어요. 미국에서 왔어요. Okay, you got it? Good. Let's see. And I combine first and second conversation. So let's try this conversation. You're gonna learn. Hello, what is your name? My name is your name. What is your name? And I am name. Where are you from? And I am from the country. Okay? So look at this and let's see. Let's speak Korean together. First one, what was that? Hello, what's your name? What's it? What that is? What is that? Hello, what's your name? Very good. 안녕하세요. 이름이 뭐예요? 안녕하세요. 이름이 뭐예요? And say your name. My name is. That's right. 제 이름은, in my case, Christine Dan입니다. 제 이름은 Christine입니다. Okay, one more time. 제 이름은 Christine입니다. Okay, then ask the same question. Good. 이름이 뭐예요? 이름이 뭐예요? And A says, it's different. It's not my name. It's I am. What's that? I am. Very good. 저는 탐입니다. 저는 탐입니다. Then A wants to know where B is from. So, where are you from? She asks. Where are you from? How can you say? 어디서 왔어요, right? 어디서 왔어요? 어디서 왔어요? 어디서 왔어요? And B says, I am from where? I am from America. I am from America. So, 미국에서 왔어요. 미국, okay? 미국에서 왔어요. So one more time. Hello, what's your name? 안녕하세요. 이름이 뭐예요? My name is. 제 이름은 Christine, Tom, Sally입니다. Then, what's your name? 이름이 뭐예요? And I am. 저는 Tom입니다. And where are you from? 어디서 왔어요? 어디서 왔어요? And I am from America. 미국에서 왔어요. 미국에서 왔어요. Okay? So, this is the first and second conversation, and let's see the third expression. Okay, this is kind of long, but don't worry, you can do it. How long are you going to stay in Korea? Oh, how can I speak this long expression in Korean? You can do it. Let's see here. How long? 얼마 동안. One more time. 얼마 동안. So, 얼마 동안. Are you following me? Good. 얼마 동안. Then, are you going to stay? So, when you take a Korean class, like you will learn about grammar. So this is a future tense, so you will learn this. Are you going to stay? 머물 거예요. One more time. 머물 거예요. One more time. 머물 거예요. So, and in Korea, what's Korea? 한국. Remember, it's not 한국. 한국, 한국인. 에서. 한국에서. So, how long? 얼마 동안 are you going to stay? 머물 거예요. 머물 거예요. And in Korea, 한국에서. 한국에서. Okay? So this question is, okay, now you just visit Korea. So how long are you going to stay? When are you leaving? Right? So how long are you going to stay in Korea? Now let's see the conversation. How long are you going to stay in Korea? In Korea comes first. 한국에서 how long? 얼마 동안 are you going to stay? 머물 거예요. So 한국에서 얼마 동안 머물 거예요? So don't try to speak fast. Okay? So divide the section and practice speaking. Like 한국에서 first section, 얼마 동안 second section, 머물 거예요. So third section. Okay? So in Korea, 한국에서 how long, 얼마 동안 are you going to stay? 머물 거예요. Make sense? And week and months. Maybe you probably stay in Korea for 1 week, 2 weeks, or 1 month, 2 months, right? So I prepared this expression for you. Week, 주일, 주일. Look at my mouse and follow me. 주일. And months is 달, 달, 달. Okay. Week, 주일, then month, 달, 달. Alright? Okay. You remember we learned about counting numbers and adding numbers. When you learned about time making an appointment, we used counting numbers like 1시, 2시, 3시, 4시. Remember that? But so, when it comes to months, 달, we use counting numbers. So 1 month in Korean is 한 달, 한 달. Okay, what about 2 months? 두 달, 두 달. 3 months? 세 달, 세 달. Make sense? Okay, 1 month, 한 달. On the other hand, I think you learned about Arabic numbers too. So when we talked about in the subway, line number 1, line number 2, it's 1호선, 2호선, 3호선. Remember that? So it's the same here. Week is used with Arabic numbers. So 1 week means in Korean, 일주일. 일주일. So week means 주일 and 1 일주일. 일주일. What about 2 weeks? 2주일. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1호선, 2호선, 3호선, 4호선. Remember that? So 1 week, 일주일, 2 weeks, 2주일, 3 weeks, 3주일, and 4 weeks, 4주일. However, 4 weeks, it's same with 1 month, right? So it's gonna be 1 month, 한 달, 한 달. Okay? So one more time. 1 week, 일주일, 2 weeks, 2주일, 3 weeks, 3주일. 1 month, counting numbers, 한 달, 2 months, 2달, 3 months, 3달. Okay? So, let's see how we speak Korean with all the expressions. How long are you going to stay in Korea? In Korea comes first. 한국에서 how long, 얼마 동안 are you going to stay? 머물 거예요? So, 한국에서 얼마 동안 머물 거예요? 한국에서 얼마 동안 머물 거예요? Then, it's going to be 1 week. It's gonna be 1 week. What is 1 week? Arabic number. 1. That's right. 1 week, 주일, and 동안이요. There is how long. 얼마 동안. How, 얼마, long, 동안. Right? So you said it's going to be 1 week. So the question has 동안, so your answer should be with 동안 too. So 일주일 동안이요. Okay? So one more time. 한국에서 얼마 동안 머물 거예요? 일주일 동안이요. or 한 달 동안이요. Make sense? Okay, that's good. And see the last expression. Enjoy your trip in Korea. And I just know that, oh, you're gonna be here 1 month. Okay, enjoy your trip in Korea. It's the same with have a good time in Korea. Okay? So enjoy your trip. 즐거운 시간 보내세요. 즐거운 시간 보내세요. There are many ways to say enjoy your trip or have a good time. So when you translate this expression in Korean, we usually say have a good time. So 즐거운 good, 즐거운 시간, time, 시간, remember? 즐거운 time, 시간, have, 보내세요. But it equals enjoy your trip. Okay? So 즐거운 시간 보내세요. One more time. 즐거운, first section, 즐거운 and time, 시간 and have. 보내세요. Enjoy your trip. Have a good time. One more time. 즐거운 시간 보내세요. Okay. And let's see. Enjoy your trip in Korea. What's that? 즐거운 시간 보내세요. And if you heard this expression, you usually say, oh, thank you, right? Thank you. What's thank you? Very good. 감사합니다. So, oh, how long are you going to stay? It's gonna be 1 week. 일주일 동안이요. 아, 즐거운 시간 보내세요. Oh, thank you. 감사합니다. Make sense? Okay, good. So 3 and 4 conversation. What's this? How long are you going to stay in Korea? 한국에서 얼마 동안 머물 거예요? 한국에서 얼마 동안 머물 거예요? It's gonna be 1 week. What's that? That's right. 일주일 동안이요. 일주일 동안이요. Then, what's that? Enjoy your trip. 즐거운 시간 보내세요. 즐거운 시간 보내세요. And say thank you. 감사합니다. 감사합니다. Make sense? Very good. It's done. 4 expressions. Okay? Oh, and let's see the review. Okay. From the beginning, you just met Korean people and you want to introduce yourself. And A is Korean and B is you. Just suppose that, okay? So A says, 안녕하세요. 이름이 뭐예요? Hello, what is your name? And B says, 제 이름은 Tom입니다. My name is Tom. And ask the same question. Oh, what's this? 만나서 반갑습니다. What's this? You learned this, right? Nice to meet you. It's nice to meet you. So we usually like after telling your name, introducing yourself, we usually say, oh, it's nice to meet you, right? So 만나서 반갑습니다. Okay, so from the top, let's do it one more time. 안녕하세요. 이름이 뭐예요? And say, 제 이름은 탐입니다. Nice to meet you. 만나서 반갑습니다. Then ask the question. 이름이 뭐예요? And I'm gonna say, 저는 크리스틴입니다. 크리스틴입니다. Okay? Good. And I'm asking, where are you from? 어디서 왔어요? Where are you from? 어디서 왔어요? And you says, I am from America. 저는 미국에서 왔어요. 저는 미국에서 왔어요. And I'm asking you, how long are you going to stay in Korea? 한국에서 in Korea 얼마 동안 how long 머물 거예요? 한국에서 얼마 동안 are you going to stay? 머물 거예요? And you says 일주일 동안이요. It's gonna be 1 week. 일주일 동안이요. So let's see here first. Where are you from? 어디서 왔어요? 저는 미국에서 왔어요. 한국에서 얼마 동안 머물 거예요? You says 일주일 동안이요. Make sense? And I'm telling you, enjoy your trip. 즐거운 시간 보내세요. 즐거운 시간 보내세요. And he says, thank you. 감사합니다. And say goodbye. 안녕히 가세요. 안녕히 계세요. One more time. Enjoy your trip. 즐거운 시간 되세요. Thank you. 감사합니다. 안녕히 가세요. And 안녕히 계세요. Okay? So, this is the conversation I prepared for today. So, how was your first class? Intermediate Korean conversation. Was that easy? Maybe it's a little hard, and it should be harder than basic conversation, basic Korean conversation. But I think you can do it well. And I always tell you, practice speaking Korean and make all the expressions you learned yours. Okay? And next time, I will come back with lesson 2, introducing family. You did a really good job today. See you next time. 감사합니다.